I'm a third grade teacher in Iskuna School District. I spent a few years teaching first grade, and now I teach third, and I absolutely love it. I've always wanted to be a teacher. I've always had a connection with kids. I would always play school and play teacher in my bedroom as a little girl. I knew in high school that, there was no question that I wanted to go into education. Hearing about local education programs, Hudson Valley fit exactly what I envisioned for myself. They put you in field placements as soon as you start your first semester here, and I said that's exactly what I want to do. I want to get right into the classroom. That really inspired me to choose Hudson Valley. Hudson Valley's philosophy to learn by doing, to learn through play, to learn through hands-on learning, whether that means with toys or through music and movement or manipulatives, is something that I've incorporated in my portfolio. Even though you're the student here, you also still feel like the teacher. What you're learning and what you're being taught, to implement that in the classroom right away is really a gift, because you don't get to do that at four-year schools. Coming to Hudson Valley was the best decision I made because it set the scene for my career. It helped instill my passion in teaching, and the things that I learned and the people that I met here, I still think about to this day. I say this to everybody I know wanting to go into education: start here, go to Hudson Valley, get all the experience you can. There's so many connections that you can make going here with local school districts. Start student teaching your first semester, get all those student teaching placements in. Going to a two-year school helped prepare me for my future years in college, professionally, academically, and socially. It was a building block for my future